Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real-life problems in general mathematics, and learn how the subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real-life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Our topic for today is level of significance and types of errors in hypothesis testing. This is quarter 4 about data and probability DP for grade 11 general mathematics. Again, this is quarter 4 data and probability. Lesson Roman numeral number 9, level of significance and types of error in hypothesis testing. The intended learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to A. Define the level of significance alpha in hypothesis testing. Differentiate between common levels of significance. For example, 0.01, 0.05, 0.10. Identify and explain the two types of errors in hypothesis testing, type 1 error and type 2 error. Relate the level of significance alpha to the probability of committing a type 1 error. Illustrate real-life examples where levels of significance and types of error are important in decision making. Determine the appropriate level of significance and recognize possible errors for a given hypothesis testing scenario. Level of significance alpha. The level of significance is the threshold used to decide whether to reject the null hypothesis. It represents the probability of making a type 1 error, rejecting a true null hypothesis. Common choices: alpha 0.05, which is 5%, most widely used in research, allows a 5% risk of rejecting HO when it is true. Alpha 0.01, 1%, stricter, used in highly sensitive studies, medicine, aviation, engineering safety. Alpha is equal to 0.10 or 10%, more lenient in exploratory research where errors are critical. Interpretation. If p-value is less than or equal to alpha, then reject HO. Evidence supports H1. If p-value is greater than alpha, fail to reject HO. Insufficient evidence to support H1. In hypothesis testing, two kinds of decision errors may occur. Type 1 error, which is a false positive. Definition: rejecting HO when it is actually true. The probability of committing this error is alpha, the level of significance. Example: a medical test indicates a patient has a disease when they actually don't. Analogy: punishing an innocent person in court. Type 2 error, false negative. Definition: failing to reject HO when HO is actually false. The probability of committing this error is equal to beta. Example: a medical test fails to detect a disease that the patient actually has. Analogy: letting a guilty person go free in court. Trade-off: lowering alpha reduces the chance of type 1 error, but may increase the chance of type 2 error. Choosing alpha depends on how serious the consequences of each error are. Real-life applications in medicine. In drug testing, a type 1 error could occur, mean approving a harmful drug, while a type 2 error could mean rejecting a useful treatment. Quality control. In a factory, a type 1 error may mean rejecting a good batch of products, while a type 2 error means accepting a defective batch. Law. In court, a type 1 error is convicting an innocent person, and a type 2 error is acquitting a guilty person. Key points. The level of significance alpha is a chosen risk tolerance for making a type 1 error. Type 1 error alpha, rejecting a true null hypothesis HO. Type 2 error beta, failing to reject a false HO. Decision makers must balance alpha and beta depending on the context of the hypothesis test. Practice problems for our quarter 4 data and probability lesson Roman numeral number 9, level of significance and types of errors in hypothesis testing. A pharmaceutical company tests a drug at alpha equal to 0.01. Explain the meaning of this significance level in terms of error risk. Given a pharmaceutical company tests a new drug at alpha equal to 0.01. Required, explain the meaning of this significance level. Solution. The significance level of alpha represents the probability of a type 1 error, rejecting HO when it is true. At alpha 0.01, there is a 1% chance of committing the type 1 error. Final answer, 1% of rejecting a true null hypothesis, which is a type 1 error. Number 2. A school sets alpha equal to 0.05 in testing whether online learning improves exam scores. What does this imply about type 1 error? Given a school sets alpha equal to 0.05 in testing online learning effectiveness. Required, explain the implication about type 1 error. So, solution. Alpha is equal to 0.05 means there is a 5% chance of wrongly rejecting HO when it is actually true. Final answer, 5% chance of making a type 1 error. Number 3. In a court case, the null hypothesis is that the accused is innocent. Identify the type 1 error and the type 2 error in this context. So, given null hypothesis, accused is innocent. So, required, identify type 1 error and type 2 error. So, solution, type 1 error is declaring the accused guilty when innocent. Type 2 error, declaring the accused innocent when guilty. Final answer, type 1, convicting the innocent. Type 2, acquitting the guilty. We will have the next part of our lesson, quarter 4, DP, lesson Roman numeral number 9.